What's up everybody, I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be installing this K&N filter for Himalayan. Okay, so the reason for installing this filter is because of this guy over here. So most of you might know it, but that's the Power Rage exhaust that I recently swapped. So if you're installing an aftermarket exhaust, you would definitely need to upgrade your air filter in order to let in more air into the engine. So the stock filter that we get with the bike is not really the guy for this purpose. So designed to increase horsepower and acceleration, and that's also a thing because it's been around 400 kilometers since I changed my exhaust, and I've been noticing a bit of power loss and the acceleration has been a bit sluggish. And immediately I just bought this air filter because I mean I was eventually gonna buy it, but I just want to try it out without the filter, see how it is, if there's any difference. And I actually faced a massive difference. I faced a lot of missing as well. I don't know if that's because of my filter or the spark plugs, because I haven't checked the spark plugs in quite a while, and also the throttle body, which I need to check, man. I'm so busy, I can't do it. Like I just don't have time to do all these things right now. And yeah, so anyways, I had been to Bangalore recently and I bought this from HTRZ, and it cost me 5,790 bucks, man. Oh my god. That almost cost as much as the exhaust. So yeah, I mean, if you want fun, you have to put in a bit of cash. Why is it always when I start recording these guys play music, man? Now to the most important and fun part is unboxing. You don't get anything else apart from the air filter, of course. And this is the warranty. It's a lifetime warranty. You just need to scan here and then do all the procedures. That's the most fun part, the stickers. I'm saving up all the stickers. I have like tons of stickers with me right now and I don't know what to do. This is the filter. Doesn't feel premium or anything. The reason why it's so expensive is because it's made in USA. Okay, the part where it's wider, put the screw right upon that and then face that towards the inlet. That's how it goes. Okay, that's how you need to do it. Okay, so that's how it looks. Again, putting this back is just a piece of cake. Just rotate it towards the top and then slide it in and then do that. Okay, my OCD is really kicking in right now because there's fingerprints all over this place, so I think I'm gonna deal with that right now. Okay, now look at that. That's clean, but it doesn't make any sense because the whole bike is dirty. Just look at this, man. Look at this. And it doesn't make sense to just clean that part, but I don't know, my OCD wasn't letting me keep it that way, so I just cleaned it quickly. Yeah, I don't know, man, I'm weird. But yeah, that's extra 5,500 into the bike. Let's go. You know what, let's just start the bike. Okay. That's a cold start, by the way. I'm definitely gonna feel the difference because I rode the bike without the K&N filter for 300 to 400 kilometers if I'm not wrong, and right now it would be a massive change for me because I felt the power loss, the acceleration was sluggish. So it's gonna solve those issues, and if it doesn't, then it might be my spark plugs, like I said, or the throttle body, or I just need to check the valve. So yeah, so that's it for the video, I guess. I think I'll be back with another video doing an overall review about my exhaust change experience, altogether a review. Okay, so until then, what the okay, 10 minutes later the guy actually stopped playing the music. So I thought the guy stopped playing the music, but he's still going on, bro. Hey, saak guru. Yappa punyatma le saako. Ingo stop madbitta. Okay, so you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.